So I've had another lady come and see me. She was trying to fall pregnant. She was trying IVF to fall pregnant, unsuccessfully. And she started seeing me and had a round of IVF, but it was too soon for her to like fall pregnant at that point. We hadn't seen each other for very long, and healing does can take time when there's like so much stress stored in the body. But what I've seen from her is like she actually never had periods from the time she was 12 years old, never ever had a consistent period. She told me that she would go to the doctors and they would try and put her on the pill so that she would have a period. Since November, Carli, she's had periods with maybe 1 month she's skipped, but she's had consistent, normal periods. It's amazing. So who knows what is possible for her moving forward, but I know that, that is the body being super clever and, regulating its own hormones. And I find that incredible.
I love that too. And I think that's huge, isn't it? There are so many teenagers out there. I have, a little teenage girl as well. And she tells me about her friends and she's like, no, they don't have periods or they're not consistent. And I was like, this is the time to really look at, but why? What's happening in their little bodies or in their lifestyle? Because it's super important. And that leads later on to having babies. We really need to get that cycle right. So I love what you're saying, because to help her, that's the first step, isn't it? To actually get her body to get into that cycle again. And the really cool thing is with spinal flow is we can feel it. So I know that when people were coming to me to see me and they wanted help with fertility or reproductive issues, I could feel it in that lumbar spine, right where the nerves come out to the reproductive system. Like I could feel there was blockages there. And as their body started to heal and changes started to happen, I could feel them layers starting to come off and being more ease in there. And that's when they started saying, oh, I've got my periods again, or I got pregnant. I'm like, yes, because we feel how much stress is in our clients' bodies, but we also can feel when it starts to release and to let go, which is awesome.
Pretty incredible. And like, if that's just, again, like, not just the only thing that's changed for her, like she's finding more ease in her lifestyle. She's been able to make the decision to change a job she was at for like 20 years, and just so much like she has sciatica and she has had much more relief with sciatica as well. Like it's all, stuff related things, the energy that's getting stuck down in that foundation and power gateway, like starting to release and just let the body be free and have flow. I love it.
Yay, that's so good.